In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Typeform in Bigcommerce. By the end, you'll have an interactive form live on your store, whether you want it on a standalone page or inside a product description. First, head to your Typeform account and build the form you want your customers to see. This could be a contact form, a survey, or a quiz, whatever suits your store. When you're happy with it, open the Share panel in Typeform. Choose the option to embed it in a web page, then pick the embed style that fits your use case. Inline, sometimes called standard, displays the form directly on the page, which is perfect for a contact or feedback page. Pop-up or slider opens the form when triggered, ideal for capturing leads without taking up page space. Click Start Embedding, then copy the embed code that Typeform generates. This code is a small snippet of HTML and script that you'll paste into your store. Now, switch over to your Bigcommerce control panel. If you want the form on its own page, go to Storefront and then Web Pages. You can create a new page, like Contact Us, or edit an existing one. If you prefer to add the form to a product or any other area that allows HTML, open the editor for that content instead. In the page or content editor, switch to HTML or source mode before pasting anything. Some themes and page builders also offer a custom HTML or code block. Using that works great too. Paste the embed code you copied from Typeform exactly as it was. Avoid pasting in the visual editor because it can strip parts of the code or display it as plain text instead of rendering the form. Save your changes and publish the page or update. Then visit the live page on your store to confirm everything looks right. If you chose inline, the form should be visible right on the page. If you chose pop-up or slider, you'll see it appear based on the behavior you picked. If it doesn't show up immediately, double-check that you pasted the code in HTML mode and that you published the changes. A quick hard refresh or clearing your storefront cache can also help you see the update. That's it. You built your Typeform, embedded the code in Bigcommerce, and published it to your store. Typeform embeds are responsive by default, so take a moment to preview the page on desktop and mobile to make sure the layout feels good. Thanks for watching, and enjoy collecting responses right from your storefront.